poverty is more complex than just a lack of money. Let us look at how it is defined and measured today. At its core, poverty is a state where individuals lack the financial resources to meet their basic living needs. The federal government sets a specific income threshold each year. If a household earns less than this amount, they are considered to be in poverty. Poverty is measured by assessing whether a household can afford a basket of essential goods, including food, housing, and healthcare. Economists distinguish between absolute poverty, which is about survival, and relative poverty, which compares households to the rest of society. Fluctuations in poverty rates often track with economic conditions, government policy shifts, and social safety net programs. Ultimately, poverty creates a cycle that can be difficult to escape without access to education, stability, and fair economic systems. Understanding these definitions is the first step toward discussing economic policy. Thanks for watching and stay curious.